Have you ever wondered why some people speak and everyone listen carefully while others talk but nobody listens? It's not luck, it's psychology. And today I'll show you some hidden principles that decide whether people listen you or ignore you, and also how to use them ethically. And I promise by the end of this video you will know exactly how to add more weights to your words while speaking. Let's talk about why people listen to you. Number 1, authority effect. People naturally listen to those who sounds like they know what they are talking about without even knowing that if it is true or not. And what is authority? What creates authority? Your calm voice, structured sentence, confidence, and sure statements without using the filler words like actually. Don't use these filler words. For example, if you say it might work, I think it might work, nobody listens. But when you say this works, let's talk about it, people immediately focus on your words. That's the power of your words. And this is the game of words. For example, if you say, many of my friends use this trick and it works, they immediately connect with you and listen more carefully. Third one is the likability factor. People listen to people they like. Yes, it is not fair, but it is true. So how to increase likability? Smile, don't interrupt, speak with warmth, and show you care. And the last but the most important, use their name. If people feel good around you, they actually listen even before you start. And this is true. Fourth one is the reciprocity principle. When you give people your time, attention, value, they naturally give it back to you. People will listen because you have built an emotional credit. Now, let's understand how to use this power ethically. First, influence to help, not control. Whenever you give advice to someone else, first ask yourself that this advice is genuinely going to help this person or not. Second, be honest about your intentions because honesty builds trust. Third, respect their right to say no. If someone disagrees, don't force them. Influence is strong when they choose freely. You are here to guide, not to control them. You have to understand this line. Now you know the real psychology behind why people listen and how to use it with integrity. So yes, if you use it, if you practice it daily, every single day, you will become a pro and you will definitely find a big difference in the way you speak and think. So for more videos on psychology, communication and confidence, you can subscribe my channel and follow the community which literally help you because we are growing together. Best of luck.